Mhm. Hi everybody, this is Patty from Flower and Flower, and I just wanted to do a short video on one of my avocado trees that's uh, doing really well right now. This is a Hass avocado tree, and this, my friends, is what it looks like when it's blooming. So each one of these little flowers are actually potential fruit, and this is a baby avocado. Now, as you can see, this is heavily flowering, and the whole tree is covered with flowers. And my caution is don't count your chickens before they hatch, because many times I've thought I was going to have like a gazillion avocados to find that we get scorching hot heat and they drop, because that will happen. But a lot of these most likely will survive, especially the ones that are protected under leaves in the interior of the tree. They seem to have a much better chance of surviving. But this hoss tree has been a gem. It's we bought this at a local nursery, and it started to grow extremely fast, and it produced. Although this year we didn't get any fruit, but this coming season, which would be in February, like next February, we should have a lot of fruit. So there's a lot of people that grow one type of avocado tree, and that's actually okay. The Hass avocado tree is actually a type A um, tree, and what that means is basically every avocado tree is actually male and female. And what happens is when the flower it opens one day, it'll be male, and when it opens the next day, it'll be female. And so you want a type B avocado tree, which would be like a forte, which does the opposite. And then that way they can cross pollinate and you'll actually get more fruit. So if you have just one type of avocado tree in your garden, it will still produce fruit. But if you have both types, they cross pollinate, and it helps you to actually get more fruit from your avocado tree. So that's why a lot of people do have multiple varieties of trees in their garden. Um, I think the best type B tree is actually a Zutano. The downfall of the Zutano is the fruit actually has a ripening defect, and you kind of get very large fruit that kind of has like a brown spot at the top of the where the stem comes out. But it's actually pretty good tasting, and they're pretty large, and it actually produces a lot of really good avocado on its own. Not as good as the Hass or the Forte. So anyways, that's just a short look at my avocado tree, and I hope you enjoyed that. Bye.